If you have an active NavWeather subscription, you can view weather information on the center display screen. Press the Info button on the control panel and then touch Weather Info. Touch Current Weather and Forecasts and then choose an option for viewing weather for the current vehicle location, the selected destination, or another location. Detailed weather information is displayed for your selection. Touch Forecast to view the forecasted weather for the days ahead. From the main weather information screen, you can also view various types of weather maps. When a map is selected, you can touch Legend to learn more about the colors or symbols displayed on the map. SiriusXM satellite radio, NavTraffic, and NavWeather are only available on vehicles equipped with an optional satellite radio subscription service. Multiple subscriptions may be necessary to activate the various features. Visit www.siriusxm.com/navweather for more information about the NavWeather service. Please see your navigation system owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating information.